5XF 2000-80 Air Screen Cleaner. 5XF 2000-80 Air Screen Cleaner can clean a variety of materials. Today we take the pumpkin seeds as an example. 5XF 2000-80 Air Screen Cleaner is a functional machine for seeds processing. It can remove heavy impurities such as soil clods and stones from raw materials, and screen out withered seeds and shells, etc. At the same time, it can grade materials in different sizes, large, medium, and small. The wind-driven elevator is the materials conveying tool at the front end of the 5XF 2000-80 Air Screen Cleaner. The raw materials are mixed with different kinds of impurities and some mildewed seeds. The raw materials enter the sieve through the discharge. The sieve can remove large and some small impurities. Large impurities will be discharged through the impurity port, and small impurities will be discharged through the bottom of the sieve. As you can see here, there are pumpkin shells, sticks, cigarette butts, and other rejects. And some larger stones are removed when the materials lifted to the specific gravity table by air lifting system. During the operation of the wind-driven elevator, the primary processing procedures of big impurity, heavy impurity, stones, and light impurities, dust, removing are completed. The raw materials enter the specific gravity table. The specific gravity table can remove lighter impurities and immature seeds based on the weight and density characteristics of the materials. Let's look at the situation of the rejects on the specific gravity table, and the trend of the rejects on the waste outlet. Then adjust the material spreading according to the trend of the waste material, so that there are no good seeds in the waste material. We can understand how effective regulation through the observation port is, and the material processing on the waste area of the specific gravity table. We can know the cleaning effect of the specific gravity table completely on the top of the specific gravity table. The specific gravity table is suspended by positive pressure. Light impurities and deflated seeds move backward, and then discharged from the waste port. The finished materials move into the grading screen for classification. The 5XF 2000-80 Air Screen Cleaner adopts efficient cleaning technology, able to complete a large amount of cleaning in a short time. Improved production efficiency of agricultural products. It can sort raw materials efficiently, accurately, and stably to ensure the quality of cleaning. The equipment adopts a design with multi-stage cleaning and multi-port discharge, which can meet the cleaning requirements of different materials and improve the applicability and flexibility of the machine. The equipment has a compact structure, comprehensive functions, small footprint, flexible movement, and adaptive capacity to environment. Have a look at the effect after cleaning. The cleaned pumpkin seeds are clean and plump. Then, let's make a comparison of before and after material cleaning. If you want to know more about the cleaning machine, please pay attention to our website or contact us for inquiries. Goodbye.